Nick from Action Machinery here. Got a quick update for the manufacturing industry. We've had several hands on deck completing the installation and commissioning of this innovative furnace right here behind me. It's been a part of our Dynamo Furnaces division here at Action Machinery. This furnace will be a core aspect to the operations of a casting plant here in South Ontario. Anyways, if you want to reach out to one of our sales technicians for any questions, they've got the answers for you.